Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. I want to talk to you about Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. It's a premium smartphone that blends high-end hardware with advanced AI features, offering a compelling option for users seeking performance and innovative. The Galaxy S25 Plus features 6.7-inch dynamic LTPO AMOLED display with resolution 3120 by 1440 pixels, delivering sharp visual at 513 ppi. The screen is safeguarded by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2, ensuring durability against crashes and minor impacts. With a slim profile and even bezels, the device offers an immersive viewing experience and comfortable grip. Comes in various colors. Galaxy S25 Plus is offered in a variety of colors, including icy blue, mint, navy, silver shadow, blue black, coral red, pink gold. The color availability may differ by region and carriers. Storage configuration. The device comes in two storage variants, 256 GB and 512 GB storage space. Both models are equipped with 12 GB of RAM, ensuring smooth multitasking and performance. This phone is powered by Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy chipset. The S25 Plus delivers robust performance suitable for gaming, productivity, and AI-driven tasks. AI capability. It provides personalized insights and tips to keep users informed and organized. Cross-app actions enable seamless multitasking by allowing users to perform multitasks with a single command. Audio eraser. This phone utilizes AI to minimize unwanted background noises during recordings and calls. Connectivity option. This phone supports Wi-Fi 7 and satellite communication, ensuring faster and reliable connectivity. Camera system. This phone got rear camera, main 50MP sensor with 2 optical zoom, ultra wide 12MP sensor for expansive shots, telephoto 10MP sensor offering 3 times optical and up to 30 times digital zoom. Front camera 12MP selfie camera suitable for high quality video calls and selfie. Video capability. This phone supports 10-bit HDR video recording, delivering vibrant and detailed footage. This phone is equipped with 4900 amp battery. The S25 Plus offers extended usage with up to 30 hours of video playback. This phone supports 45W wired charging, allowing for rapid replacement of battery life. This phone is Android 14, 6.7-inch Quad HDR Plus dynamic AMOLED touchscreen, triple 50MP, 12MP, and 10MP main cameras, 12MP front cameras. Battery capacity 4900 amp. Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus stand out with its combination of high-resolution display, powerful performance, and advanced AI feature. Its versatile camera system and long-lasting battery make it a stronger contender in the premium smartphone market. This phone deserves your attention. Thank you very much indeed